your thoughts?
I don't want nobody ask me that.
You think it worth the criticism?
I don't want nobody ask me.
What does tell me that though? You think it worth it? Alright, so we're there with the king of the dancehall, King Beenie man. How you doing?
Zaga.
Oh, everything doing the whole medical condition and the leg and everything. Everything good?
Zaga.
Everything good?
Yeah.
Alright, so you're there with like wifey right now. Everything good right there too?
Everything Zaga.
When I enjoy Valentine's Day and it all go on?
Zaga.
That's it. Yeah, keep the relationship here under wraps?
Zaga.
Okay. Bless you and the family out here?
Zaga.
Family good?
Zaga.
Alright, co-parenting good?
Zaga.
Alright, big up yourself, you know. Alright, so Beenie man, like, but fun and joke aside though, like how everything, you're alright?
No man, everything good man. Everything good man. Because I still have a own for my leg, but...
Yeah.
Yeah. I have to exercise it.
Come realize, say, look like say you just cannot stop like performing for your audience, like.
Yeah, my fans them, you know.
Yeah.
Without them, they are nothing. You see.
Yeah.
So you have to give them something. You see. But them also 8 weeks. Yeah. I don't do nothing at all. I do not show up for Christmas. Like from the bus until now, that never happened.
Wow.
You see me?
Yeah.
So I have a cool, because the doctor said I have a cool, so I have a cool.
So when I see like the rebel salute, me I say, boy, Beenie, you sure you want to do this because I don't want to compromise your health because dancehall need you?
Yeah, well, me need dancehall too.
Why you there because of Maya?
No, really, I'm there because I'm sure really still.
So when you come to a show like this, like, what is it like as an artist? Like, are you able to just like fully separate like Beenie man, the talented artist, and watch them on stage without being super critical?
Well, notice me there with my family. You see, that's the first thing I can be with them and all of them. You see me?
Yeah.
So it's not like I come to perform.
Yeah.
I come for watch a show.
And just completely just be a fan of music and support.
Fan of music. Yeah.
Okay.
You have to do that, because if you don't do that, then you're not going to love music. You just love yourself. Yeah.
Question, what do you think about like the current state of dancehall? Everybody talk about it now. Like, what are your thoughts?
I don't want nobody ask me that.
You think it worth the criticism?
I don't want nobody ask me.
What does tell me that though? You think it worth the criticism?
Nobody ask me.
Yes or no? You think the criticism makes sense?
Duttyberry.
All right.
I don't want nobody ask
All right, Beenie man. All right.
Every time I talk, everybody I say. Me shouldn't have said that because I truth me I say, so me not say.
Oh, come and talk to Shaggy, me talk, and everybody still seem like them value the music and feel like there's still potential, but it got through a little.
But it's always potential. But you see, we now have to know, say, we have to live through the phase.
Yeah.
You see me? So I say that.
Okay. All right, so Beenie man, more actually with the rapid fire question here. What do you think is your ultimate collaboration? If you for say, yo, this collaboration solidifies like Beenie man, like would you start collaboration? Can you have Wally?
Me and Maya.
Oh yeah. Makes sense. Yeah. So right now, because you're there now, we have to play one game. This is called Reggae Letters. Tony Rebel has been the only artist who shelled the game so far, from A to Z. So I'm gonna see if Beenie man can actually like conquer this game, right? Beenie man, you know music, you know. Artists, alright. So you have to give you a letter, and you have to give me a Jamaican artist with the letter there, right? A.
Anthony Redrose.
B.
Buju Banton.
C.
Capitan.
D.
Dennis Brown.
E.
Elephant.
F.
Frankie Park.
G.
Lady G.
H.
Yeah,
man.
Right.
H.
Don't worry.
Alright.
Give me a second.
H.
Harry Tadler.
Alright. I. Oh.
D.
Come on, man. I.
IKEA.
Alright, J.
J. Jamil.
K. Come on.
Terrence Smith.
Alright. L.
Lieutenant Stitchie.
M. M. Come on, man. I worry for them.
Cool, man. Stop that.
M.
Don't remember what I'm saying.
Alright.
Because I can't say Marley before the Bob.
Alright, so, M. Yeah, M.
I have to use M.
You know, I can't remember now.
Stop now, man. Stop. Soon tell you, man. Michael Palmer.
Alright, N. Jamaican artist, come on, N.
Yeah, the Jamaican artist you're talking about, man.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
You don't want.
Nah, man, I don't want that. Nitty Kochi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
When name again, man?
Oh.
Jesus Christ, man. Artist. I wish artist started all again.
I only know Opal, Atabal and stuff like that.
True, but you have Upton, when name again, man?
You know the Jamaican artist with You have a gospel one.
Yeah?
You have the gospel one. I'm an old person member.
Who that?
We sing El Father God El. I don't want to sing cheerleader.
Yeah, Honey.
Me. Yeah.
Me.
Yeah.
Me him name.
Yeah.
M.I. Yeah,
Orange now. What? P.
Peter Mitchell.
Q.
Look, Q.
R.
Robert Nesta Marley.
S.
S. Seriously?
Yeah.
God no. What's your name? Sophia George.
Okay. T.
Terry Linen.
Alright. U.
Hugo Barrington.
V. Jeez, I'm the one here. We know one. What artists are sing? Sitting in your church. Okay. Orange now. W.
Welton Harry.
Okay. Orange X. Only know some one junior. I don't think you have no dancehall reggae artists.
You have a junior X.
Yeah. Alright, X. Orange now. Why? Come on, man. You have the king before you.
Yeah, man. You have yellow man.
Yeah. Alright, Z. Come on.
Zebra.
Alright, see the man. Be the man, zero the game. Big up yourself, no boss. Big up yourself. Anything you want for plug right now, just tell your fans them support us, anything.
One man kind of free fucked up. And I talk about the meds from the way. From far, you have to give them tough love. No care if a friends or family. Me don't see them a fussy from round, so I smile and I bun you like grab a leaf. They never stop until them smoke you. Now your body wrap up in a white sheet.
Big up yourself in a King Beenie, man. Yeah, man. Bless. Oh, picture.
Jamaica! Hey! Say, baby, what's your story? You got the content plain to see. The kind that'll keep a brother on his knees. And I'm so curious. After the club, hang out with me. Valentino is sure to please. But now let's have an apple martini and get to know each other. Tell me, how did you get that emotion? The way you dropping it is killing me. Look over here, come follow me. Tell me, how did you get that emotion? The way you dropping it is killing me. I want to run a video. Girl, you sizzling, wanna lay you on the floor. I'm bad boy, just thought I'd let you know. These other thoughts running through my mind, 'cause I'm so curious, yeah. Couple more shots and we off the door.